Hi, today I'm going to show you how to place a logo on a t-shirt in Photoshop. First, choose a t-shirt image from a free stock website like FreePic and open it in Photoshop. Go to the File menu, select Place Embedded, and pick the logo file you want to use. Right-click the layer and convert it to a smart object. Press Ctrl-T to resize and adjust the placement. Next, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and apply a 1-pixel blur so the logo blends smoothly with the fabric. Then open FX, Blending Options. Hold Alt and move the slider to the right. This reveals the bumps and texture of the t-shirt through the logo. Click OK once it looks natural. To add another logo, place the new file on the t-shirt and hide the first logo layer. Convert the new logo to a smart object. Apply a 1-pixel Gaussian blur and adjust the blending options again while holding Alt to bring out the fabric details. This is an easy way to place logos on a t-shirt realistically in Photoshop. Hope you like the tutorial, and if you do, please subscribe for more.